Okay.
Testing. System ready. Voice alert.
Oh yeah, run over the newspaper.
Yeah, very nice.
Wow!
Oh, it stalled on me. But I lied.
The car's just too good for you.
Yeah. Sometimes it is.
Dave's gonna be like, why the fuck are they taking a video?
Dave wouldn't even fucking know.
He's too drunk.
Oh, it stalled.
Why?
Because it's not warm yet.
Jesus Christ, woman.
Voice alert.
Oh yeah, he's that little homemade blow-off valve.
It's not homemade, it's factory.
Of course. Nice stop. I like that. I like it! It's very nice. Never again. Really.
Oh, you didn't like it going that way?
No.
Oh, come on.
You can do it on your own time. I'm still in school. Little trick.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah, but you're going to... Oh yeah, gotta roll in style. Oh yeah! Wow!
You hear that backfire?
Should I stop the video?
Yeah.